Meaning of drily.
drily,
Drily.
drily,
Drily. Drily is an adverb that describes a manner of speaking or writing that is devoid of emotion or humor. When someone speaks or writes drily, they do so in a matter-of-fact way, without any attempt to entertain or engage their audience. This can result in a communication style that is perceived as dry, dull, or even sarcastic. People who use drily as a communication style might come across as serious, aloof, or even detached, depending on the context and the tone of their delivery.